Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to attempt to format this USB thumb drive on my MacBook computer. Apparently, this thumb drive, when I insert it into my computer, onto my Windows machine, let me show you right now. When I come here, it only has 248 megabytes of space available, which I know this is a 64 gigabyte USB thumb drive. So what I'm going to do is, or what I'm thinking is that at one point I used this USB drive on my MacBook Pro laptop, and that's why perhaps it's not working. So I'm going to connect it to my MacBook Pro and see if I can format it from there and regain all that space that I have available on this thumb drive. I want to use this thumb drive as my portable drive. So of course I can have access to portable applications. So even if I come here and I try to reformat it, it's still telling me that I have 249 megabytes available. So even if I click on start, I get the warning and it goes through format complete, but still I still have the 249 megabytes. So I'm going to reformat this on my MacBook laptop. We'll be back. Okay, so here I have the USB connected to my MacBook Pro. For those interested, I am running Mac OS Catalina. So this is an old MacBook Pro, late 2012. So I don't use it often, only for situations like this when I have to go back to it. So now I'm going to format this USB thumb drive on my laptop. So let's go to Launchpad. I'm going to look for the disk utility. Here it is. And right now you see the drives installed on this laptop, but I am more interested on the external one. So let's minimize that. So I'm going to click on the SanDisk Cruiser. That is my thumb drive. So I'm going to click erase. And then from here, I'm going to call it maybe portable apps, because that's what I want to use it for. Under format, I'm going to click in the box and select MS-DOS FAT. And from here, I'm going to click erase. So just by doing this, I should gain all the space on this drive and use it on my Windows machine. So let's see, it's done. So now I'm going to click done, and I should gain all the space in Windows. So from here, I'm going to come out of the screen and move on to my Windows machine. We'll be back. Okay, here I have the thumb drive. I'm going to connect it to my Windows machine again, right? Because we're going to see if I was able to recover the full capacity of this thumb drive, which is 64 gigabytes. So from here, the computer detected it already. Let's right click, click on properties. And here we have 58.5 gigabytes. So that is close. I know that Windows installed some files on this, so I'm okay with that. I mean, it's a big difference from 248 megabytes to 58 gigabytes. So now I can use my thumb drive for my portable application. So if you have a similar situation and you have a Mac computer, then reformat that drive on your Apple computer and as a FAT format, and then bring it into your Windows machine, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and be well.